guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, I'm going to be giving my room a makeover. I feel like over the last year, my room has gotten really messy, unorganized, and just boring. This room is not only where I sleep and get ready, but it's also where I work. So I spend a lot of time in this room, and it just got to the point where I felt very uninspired. So I thought it would be really fun to give my room a makeover and share it with you guys. This is going to be a 3-part series. So in this first video today, I'm going to show you the bed and vanity area. In the next video, you'll get to see the desk makeover. And then in the final part, you will see an in-depth room tour. So I hope that you guys enjoy this little mini series that I've planned out. I had so much fun filming it, and I hope that you guys like it. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, before we begin, I want to let you guys know that I've made a new Instagram and TikTok, and I would really appreciate it if you guys would go follow it. I'm going to be posting a ton of new content on there, so yeah, if you guys would follow my new Instagram and TikTok, that would be amazing. With that all being said, let's get started with this makeover. Alrighty, this is what my room looks like before the makeover. As you can see, it does look different than my previous room tour, and that's because over this last year, I've sort of been playing around with the placement of furniture, trying to change it up. Clearly, it didn't do anything. It actually looks worse than before. I have a lot of stuff and it just looks very cluttered. By the way, like I said in the intro, the desk makeover is going to be my next video, so I'm not going to be working on this area today. So yeah, here you can see that I have clothes on the floor, clean clothes on my sofa because it takes me forever to put my clothes away. I don't know why. I also have like 2 carpets in this room and they look really bad. It just makes the room look kind of like suffocating in a way. And then I have like 4 tables. I don't know why I have this many tables. I have a vanity table, a coffee table, a table for filming, and then I have my desk. So yeah, there's just way too many tables in this room. Now that I've shown you my room, it is time to get this makeover started. Like I said, I have too many tables in this room, so we're gonna get rid of all of them. So this table right here that I'm clearing up is the table on which I film my videos. And this is like a super cheap IKEA table. I think it's like $30 or $40. As you can see, the tabletop is completely damaged. Like I said, I film my videos on this and do crafting. So I would by mistake, okay, like this is completely accidental. I would like scratch off the paint, and I've done this like multiple times by mistake. So yeah, this table has got to go. Next, I'm going to get rid of the coffee table. This is also from IKEA. I think it's for like $30 or something. It used to be in front of the pink sofa, if you guys remember from my previous room tour, but I ended up putting the sofa in front of the bed, and then there wasn't any room to put the coffee table, so I just put it here. And then I put my YouTube plates on top of it because I thought it would look nice, and then I just started putting random things on top that I didn't know where else to put. So I ended up taking this out of my room and putting it in the living room instead. Now for the vanity area. As you can see, it's a huge mess because I was getting ready and then I just didn't clean it up. We all know how that works. What I'm gonna do is just take everything out. So from the top and from the drawer, I'm just gonna take everything out, and I decided to sell the vanity. I love this vanity. It's from IKEA. I've had it for like 4 years, I think, ever since I moved into this place. I love it, but it's just boring now and I want to change things up. So I ended up selling it. The pink stool I ended up keeping because that's a piece that I really love and I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of it. I sold the table and then the mirror that's on top. This gray carpet has gotta go. I'm gonna probably put this in another room, maybe in the living room. So for now, I'm just gonna roll it and put it away. So far, this is what my room looks like. It's pretty much half empty at this point. I ended up keeping the pink sofa, but I'm not gonna keep these fluffy, what do you call them? Throw pillows? Yes, throw pillows. I got rid of the fluffy throw pillows and blanket. I did change the placement of the sofa. It was in front of my bed, but I ended up putting it on the wall where the vanity was. I couldn't really show you guys this on camera because it was very heavy and I needed help. So I changed the placement of the sofa and I am keeping my bed. Now that I've gotten rid of my old furniture, I can buy new furniture. So the first thing I'm going to buy is a floor length mirror. I saw this online and I fell in love with it. It's so pretty and it's like the perfect size. It's also not that expensive in comparison to the other mirrors that I saw. Okay, so this was a lucky find. I found the shelf on Walmart for only $30. I've seen something similar on IKEA for $70, so this was a steal. Unfortunately, it is out of stock in the birch color, but you can find it in black and white. So this is all I got furniture-wise. I don't want to buy too much furniture because I want to keep my room more minimal and less cluttered. I did end up buying some decor stuff from Amazon. So I got like vines, I got curtains, a curtain tension rod. I got myself new bedding, which was very, very exciting. And then I picked up a few other knickknacks, so things for decor and organization. I didn't film all of it because honestly, I bought all of this stuff over like a month. I was making sure that whatever I'm buying is something that I need because sometimes you end up buying things that you don't need and it's just like, I don't know, a waste. So yeah, I did this process very slowly. The packages started arriving in the mail and the only thing that I had to assemble was the shelf. So here you can see that I am assembling the shelf. It was very easy and straightforward. I think it took me like 30 minutes. Now it is my favorite part. I'm gonna start setting everything up and it's all gonna start coming together. I'm very excited. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove my old bedding and put on the new one. On top of my giant teddy bear, I put this tapestry. It's so cute and it goes very well with the theme that I'm going for. Another reason why I put the tapestry was because if you look closely, you'll see that the paint is damaged on the wall. Again, this was completely accidental, but it's just a nice way to cover it up. Here I'm installing my curtains. I am using a tension rod because it's so much easier to install. I don't have to like take out a drill. You just kind of like pop it in and it's good to go. This is where the pink sofa was, and I'm going to turn this into my getting ready / vanity area. And I think this goes better in front of my bed. I am trying to divide my room into two spaces. So there's going to be the bedroom area that you guys are seeing in this video, and then the other space is going to be my office area. And you guys will see in the room tour how I sort of divided both of the spaces. As you guys saw, I put up the vines on the wall using tape. Now in the corner, I'm going to put the mirror that I bought. And then to sort of make it look all cutesy, I added in these fairy lights. Next to the mirror, I am placing the shelf, and in the shelf, I'm gonna put all of my skincare, makeup, and hair care. So here you can see that I am organizing the shelf. I decided to film this sort of like ASMR. I thought you guys would enjoy it. Like I was saying earlier, I want to divide my room into my bedroom area and my office area. So I decided to put a clothing rack, and this is sort of going to act like a divider. You guys will get a better view in the completed room tour of what I'm trying to say. And now it is time for the big reveal. This is the bedroom area before the makeover. And here it is after the makeover. I am so in love with the way it looks. I think it's so much better than my previous room. It's less cluttered. It looks so open now. And you guys will get to see the other half of the room makeover in my next video. So stay tuned for that. I'm very excited for the desk makeover. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of this room makeover. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. I personally love it. And I had so much fun filming this video. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be amazing. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one.